Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50. This is workout number 2 of 2026 and workout about 1200 on this channel. Mondays and Thursdays, don't forget, we never miss an upload. We're gonna get started in about 40 seconds. Guys, as we get older, we're not looking to build muscle, most of us aren't. We just wanna stay mobile. And keeping the lower body stronger is the most crucial workout that you can do. So today we're gonna go through 6 simple exercises. You can use a resistance band width. That's what I'm gonna use for all the exercises today, to keep us mobile and stable and continue on building the strength we started building. Oh, we haven't lost yet. You want to continue this thing, right? So we're gonna start with some RDLs. We're starting in 10 seconds. Step on your band, straighten up nicely, and then you're just gonna hinge forward, starting in 3, 2, 1, hinge down and come back up. Down and come back up. Obviously, the more of a resistance band you have, or 2 resistance bands or different color other than red, it's going to make this exercise more difficult. But you hinge back, your butt goes back, and then you come back up. Your knees bend a little bit, you keep your core nice and tight, and go down and up. And by the way, we're doing a couple of sets of each exercise, 40 seconds on and 20 seconds off. Down, up. Keep the lower back nice and tight. You just hinge forward, those knees bend a little bit. 2 seconds, 1 second. Now we rest for 20 seconds. Next exercise is gonna be a goblet squat. Same band. I'm just gonna use this red resistance band for everything. Like I said, if you wanna move up to a higher resistance band, you can use purple, black, green. I'll leave a link to these bands in the description below. We are getting started with the goblet squat. Keep it in front of you. Down and up. Down, up. If that's too difficult for you, when it's doubled up like that, you can definitely stand on it like this, then choke up on the band right here. Same thing, down, up. By keeping that weight in front of you, it balances your body a little bit better as opposed to doing a squat with a barbell, let's say if it was on the back of your neck. So keep this weight in front of you. As you lean forward, you try to stay as upright as you can, only go as low as you can, and keep it up. 5 seconds, 3, 2, 1, and we are done. All right, now we're moving into some side squats. So same thing, you're gonna spread those legs out pretty good. You're gonna nice wide stance. You're gonna grab your band, stand on it one side, and we're just gonna lunge to the side. You guys ready to go? Choke up on your band. 3, 2, 1, go down as low as you can go. You guys can tell I'm not going that low, and that's okay. Down and up. Keep going. This is a full lower body workout today, all legs. 20 seconds left. Keep it up. This is 12 minutes long. 12 minutes, couple times a week, guys. Keep those legs strong. Even if you don't feel you have problems right now. I'm 54, and I know by the time I turn maybe 60 or 65, or whenever the time will come, I'm gonna become less mobile and less strong. So I like to tackle these problems early. And 20 seconds, and we're gonna switch sides, nice and easy. Same band, once again, more resistance, more band, different color other than red. Completely up to you. Opposite side, we're starting in 5 seconds, if Paul can set up correctly. There we go. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Same thing. Stay nice and upright and go down as low as you can. As long as your mobility allows you, and then you have no knee pain whatsoever. Keep going. Keep it up, 20 more seconds left. "15 seconds, keep going, keep going. 10. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Last one, and relax for 20 seconds. Like I said, there's 6 exercises, and we're gonna go through this whole entire thing twice. So now we're doing a front lunge. You can choke up on your band. You're gonna step forward and just gonna lunge in place. Once again, go as low as you can. Do not be afraid to let your knee extend over your toe. It's okay. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Just lunge forward and back. Down, up. As low as you can go, as long as you're not experiencing any pain. Keep it up. down, up. Keep going on those legs. Down, up, down, and up. Looking good, keep it up. A little less than 20 seconds left on this interval, then we're gonna switch legs. Try not to lose your balance, there we go. I was about to say that your back leg should be a little bit of a diagonal so you don't lose your balance. And as I was saying it, guess what happened? 5 seconds, keep it up guys. 3, 2, 1, and relax. All right, now we're gonna switch sides after a little 20-second break and work the other side. 10 seconds, start getting ready. And step back. We're starting in 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, down and up, nice and easy. Down, control the resistance. Don't let it control you. Keep it up. Down, up. Keep going. And up. And up. Push against that rubber band. Come on, let's go. In 20 seconds, we're gonna be halfway done with the workout. This is day 2 of 2026, guys. Stay here with me. Three, 2, 1, and relax. Most people, unfortunately, quit their New Year's resolution 3 weeks into the year. If you guys come back here for 2 workouts a day for the next 3 weeks, next 4 weeks, you're already going to be better than most of the people on here. So, RDLs, same thing. Grab your weights, your rubber band, down and up. This works your hamstrings and your glutes. And if you guys are experiencing knee pain, strengthening your glutes is going to be the one exercise, or the one series of exercises, the one muscle. There's actually 3 muscles there, but basically strengthening your glutes, we're going to alleviate a lot of that pain. The stronger the glutes are, the less leg pain we will have. Those are biggest muscles in our bodies, guys. So keep going. Keep those nice and strong. Down, up, butt goes back, knees bend a little bit, and you come back up. It's a hinge, it's not a squat. 1 second and we are done. Now we're moving back into goblet squats. So now we're working on the quads. Keep the posture as upright as you can as you do these. Do the best that you can. I always try to do the best I can for you guys, and I expect the same from you. Ready? 3, 2, 1, down, up. That weight is in front of you, and up. Down, and up. Keep going. 30 seconds left. This is the second time around, but this is the last time around we are doing this. We have 4 minutes of working out left, so just keep moving with me. 15 seconds. 5, 3, 2, 1, and relax. All right, now we're gonna go to the sides. Side squat, Kazakh squat, however you wanna call it. I don't quite call it Kazakh squat because I don't go deep enough to justify that name. But once again, as always, do the best that I can. We're starting in 5 seconds. Get in position and side lunge. Ready? Down and up. Down. This is strength and mobility. And up. Down. Up. Keep going. Down. Hopefully in a couple of weeks, all of us will be going lower. Or at least me, if I continue with this. 20 seconds left. Keep it up. And up. Stay with me. Come on. Less than 10 seconds. Keep going now. 3, 2, 1, and relax. I'm gonna switch sides for the final time and work the other side a little bit. Great mobility movement. Like I said, mobility and stability, that's what we're looking for. A little bit of strength. As you guys know, if you guys have parents that are older, my mom is almost 80. Fear of falling is one of the worst and biggest fears there is. So this, hopefully, these type of exercises will prevent those falls. She does these workouts to the best of her ability. I always tell her, Mom, you can do this workout, but don't do this one. She has a set of resistance bands and a set of very light dumbbells, so she just kind of does them along as best as she can. The most she can do is just move a little bit, right? And that's what we want to keep on doing for the next 10, 20, 30, 40 years. Let's keep it here and keep it going. Keep moving. 5 seconds, guys. Keep going. 3, 2, 1. And we have 2 exercises left. Oh, actually 1 exercise, 2 sets. We're just gonna be doing the forward lunges, right? So get ready. When I have the bend underneath my foot, I prefer to step back to find it easier. I'm just gonna lunge down and come back up and 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's go down, up, down. If you find this bend too easy, like I said, switch bends or choke up a little bit on it. So notice why you can grip down a little bit and provide a little more resistance. This way you start up with resistance right away from the very bottom over here where the bend is not really stretched all that much. It has a little bit of a stretch to it. 20 seconds left, so you give it a little more of a challenge. 10 seconds, keep going. 3, 2, 1, and relax. All right, 1 exercise left. We are almost done. How exciting is that? I'm excited. I'm recording this on a Saturday morning. This workout will be out on Monday. Today is January 3rd. You guys will see this January 5th. I'm excited because I don't have to work out after this. I'll be all done for the day. 3, 2, 1, let's do the other side. Ready? Down, up, down, up. Keep it up, choke up a little bit, make it a little more challenging if you have to. Down and up, down and up. As much of a range of motion as you can do it as long as there is no pain of any sort. Keep going, and up, and up. And 15 seconds left and we're gonna be done. Five, 3, 2, 1, last one. And now we can let go. Well, this was our beginning resistance band workout. I hope you guys enjoyed the workout. I enjoy filming it, enjoy sharing it with you. Second workout 2026. Like I said, 1,200 workouts on this channel right now. Never missed an upload. If you guys need to be more challenged, there's plenty to choose from. If you find this too difficult, there's also plenty to choose from. Thank you for joining me today. My name is Paul. This is Fit After 50, and I'll see you guys during the next workout.